Jatend migao manarita kwe Kithure Kindiki okoni obiro kawo okang' mager ne jogo mayako lope jodak e gwenge mago ma Kiserian, Kitengela, Rongai, Kanyakla kod Isinya kaachiel gi gwenge mamoko e pacho ka. Kane oloso gi jofwambo, Kindiki okoni ok obi dewo wang' ng'ata ng'ata kata jogo matiye bede migepe mopogore opogore e sirikal. Kindiki omedo ni joyak lope sando ngima jodak kendo thiro ochumi ma pacho ka. Magi nowacho e romo manotimore e kaunti ma Kajiado.
We have the land issue, many of issues around land fraud in this county, especially Kitengela, Isinya, Kiserian, Rongai area, but also in other parts of the county. And we are going to crack down on land fraud. And any person who is involved, whether he's a member of the public in the private space or a public officer in the space of government, we will punish them very painfully and very severely, because they are undermining the economy of this county and this country. They are frustrating people who are genuine landowners by, in some cases, issuing fraudulent title deeds. We are going to flush out all of them, and we will not shy away evicting anybody.